being God, as you term it, nature. As we are beings of nature that understand that we stem far beyond our own conscious awareness of our nature. You, in order to be prepared to be able to perceive your nature beyond your conscious awareness of your nature, there were things you had to experience, dear humanity, to create the despondency, to slow you down or give you the illusion of time, to evolve and master the human nature, humankind, human culture. We are proud to welcome you in the fold as beings of benevolent existence, infinite creation,